How to see banned accounts on Roblox. So for this, all we want to do is go to Google and we're going to Google search for Row Gold. Now Google search for this and open up this first website, Row Gold, Level Up Roblox. We want to install this extension here. It's completely safe and it's free, so just click on add extension, and once it has been installed here, we can just close this. We're going to go back to Roblox and we're going to refresh the page here. So as you can see, as soon as we refresh, some things change, and what we want to do is click on the cogwheel here in the top right, go to settings, and now you should see the section for Row Gold. Click on Row Gold, then go to profiles, and you will see this view banned users profiles. So go to this link, so just click on this link here, it's gonna load it. And now I'm just gonna show you that it works. I will open up a list of banned players here. So I'm just going to copy this person's name that was banned, and I'm going to paste it here, and we're going to search for it. Now it will load up the profile of that specific person that has been banned, and you can view it. That's how you do it. I hope it helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.